What am I, the fucking duck whisperer now? If you guys stole all my bait? The fuck, guys? I'm trying to fish here. Fucking bait thieves. Look at all of them. The duck whisperer, I guess. Don't steal my bait, cocksuckers. Look at all these little bait thieves. I'm pretty sure this is the dude that stole my bait yesterday. Just fucking hanging out and waiting. This fucking dude's giving them instructions. Is he telling him how to steal my bait? Yeah, I know you're up to fucking no good, buddy.